We want to share some interesting facts about plasma with you. Plasma treatment allows for improved adhesion on metals and plastics. It does this by changing the surface energy of the part to greatly enhance the bond between metals and plastics and their glues and their coatings. Plasma treatment also works without chemicals. We do this by treating the surface to eliminate the need for primers that are commonly used in the industry to reach the same effect, but this is a more friendly and safe way of doing it. Plasma treatment can work on a variety of different materials. It's very effective on polymers and metals as well. Polypropylene, polystyrene, stainless steel, aluminum, all have shown fantastic responses to a plasma treatment. Plasma treatment is very precise and accurate in its ability to micro-clean to the top layer of the molecule on both polymers and metals to enhance their properties for coating and gluing. When it comes to plasma treatment, there are two types of plasma treatment. There's atmospheric and vacuum plasma. Atmospheric plasma is done in open air where we blow an ionized gas out onto the surface. Vacuum plasma is done under a controlled environment, under pressure, allowing us to treat a wide area inside of the chamber, allowing us to treat a variety of different spots on the part. Like all surface treatment, plasma treatment processes have a very short window to get the best effect. It's really important to try and perform your value-added process within minutes of the treatment to avoid the product diminishing over time. Plasma treatment is used in a variety of different industries: medical, automotive, aerospace, defense, cable and pipe. Anybody looking to get a very precise, controlled treatment of specific areas will look to plasma treatment as its solution. To measure the effect of plasma treatment on your product, customers will use dyeing solutions, contact angle meter testing. Those are the two most common and proven ways to determine the results of the plasma treatment that you've just performed on your part. Plasma treatment is also considered very environmentally friendly. We're now able to perform the same process, chemical and primer processes that are bad for the environment and for your operators, in an environmentally friendly way using plasma treatment as an alternative. Plasma treatment is also known as a fourth state of matter, not a solid, not a liquid, or a gas. With plasma treatment, we are creating micro ions that are blown out onto the surface, which then react with the plastic or metal to enhance the properties and making it a more high surface energy part, allowing for you to get your adhesion or your coating or your ink to stick better on the surface.